Meaning of faulty.
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 Faulty. The word faulty is an adjective that describes something that is not working correctly or has a defect. When something is faulty, it may not operate as intended and can cause problems or malfunctions. This can result in unsafe conditions, unreliable performance, or a decreased lifespan of the object. Common examples of faulty items include electronics, machinery, and appliances. It is important to identify and address faults promptly to prevent further damage and ensure safe and efficient operation.